In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. Whether you're new to ClickUp or have been using it for a while, updating your profile picture is a simple process that adds a personal touch to your workspace. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your profile settings, which is quite straightforward. Go to the top right corner of the ClickUp interface. You should see your profile avatar there, which might display your initials or your current picture. Click on that avatar and a menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to Settings and then select My Settings. This will direct you to the area where you can make personal adjustments to your ClickUp account. Now, once you're in the My Settings area, the next step is to focus on your avatar, your profile picture. Find your current profile image or the area where it's displayed. Clicking on this will open up your options for changing it. To add a fresh image, look for the option that says Add Custom Avatar. Clicking on this allows you to select a new picture from your device. This gives you the opportunity to personalize your profile with a photo that best represents you. Once you've chosen your image, a cropping tool will likely appear, allowing you to adjust the image size and frame as needed. This ensures that your new profile picture is perfectly centered and fits nicely within the designated area. When you are satisfied with the adjustments, don't forget to click Save. Saving your changes is crucial as it finalizes the update to your profile picture and ensures that it is displayed whenever you interact on ClickUp. With these few simple steps, you've successfully changed your profile picture in ClickUp. Accessing your profile settings through your avatar, opening Settings and My Settings, clicking on your current profile picture, uploading a new image, adjusting it, and finally saving the changes. This whole process is quick and simple. Remember, having an up-to-date profile picture not only helps with personal branding, but also makes interactions more personal and engaging, especially if you're collaborating with teams. It's these little touches that help make virtual interactions slightly warmer and more engaging. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. I hope you found this information useful and that you're now able to seamlessly update your profile picture to something new and exciting. Thanks for tuning in, and happy ClickUp customizing.